Welcome back. The Walk On Walk Strong committee of the Tai Kami Foundation, a courageous young lady from Tonga who passed away at age 15 after a 4-year journey battling cancer. And in an effort to raise funds for children with cancer, the WOW committee have introduced the Shave It or Save It campaign, where 100 Fijians from different organizations will be approached to shave their hair and raise $1,000 or keep their hair for $2,000. The bald head is a symbol of solidarity with cancer victims who often lose their hair when they receive chemotherapy treatment.
Expect an outbreak of baldness on August the 13th as part of a fundraising drive to help children with cancer. The Walk On Walk Strong WOW's committee of the Tai Kami Foundation launched the campaign in Suva this morning in a noble effort to raise money for children with cancer.
Yeah, in this case, the Save It or Save It campaign is the challenge for at least 100 Fijians, 100 great Fijians to be nominated to raise $1,000 to save their hair, or if they don't want to shave their hair, it'll be $2,000 to save it. So that's the Shave It or Save It. We're hoping that this will begin the first WOWs or Walk On Walk Strong Fund for child cancer here in Fiji, and this is part of almost a triple-pronged campaign that starts with Shave It or Save It through July. The Laughing Samoans will be brought here working with FBC to do 3 concerts to raise funds also for child cancer. And then we'll finish off with a big walk on August the 13th. And we hope by then, on August the 13th, we'll have at least 100 people who've raised $1,000 to shave, $2,000 to save, get the head shaved in public after the walk on August the 13th.
Volunteers Dom Sampson and Pedeli Rokutuivuna shaved their hair off today to launch the campaign. An emotional Sina Kami, Thai's mother, thanked the volunteers and the media for launching the worthy cause this morning, saying the message for families who have children who battle with cancer is to continue to walk on and walk strong.
Come up and shave. I hope that I think my daughter and those little ones who are up there right now smiling, if we are doing this for the children of Fiji. And I just want to emphasize the message. And even though we're trying to respond, but I think the message is very important to get out to the people that no matter what you go through in life, walk on and walk strong.
The WOW's committee is working in collaboration with the Fiji Cancer Society in the hope of raising funds to bring some relief to families who have children who battle cancer.
Yes, and this is the partnership with Fiji Cancer Society. I think there's a recognition a little bit more could be done with child cancer. And so that's going to be our commitment, and we're supporting the activities of the Fiji Cancer Society in making this happen.
Taholo said business houses and organizations can get in touch with them to nominate someone from their workplace for the cause.
There'll be, what we're hoping is something will go out from the committee, or if anybody wants to call me or call anyone else from the team and say, I'd like to nominate my boss, or we've got several heads of departments that we'd like to nominate. And then I hope everyone gets behind them to raise their $1,000 or mercifully their $2,000 before August the 13th.
He said the fundraising is all about the children and the families who battle with cancer and just about trying to make the journey a little bit easier.
You know, we visited every time when my daughter's birthday comes around, we visit families with cancer, and there's just a couple of cases, and one of them we were told by the Cancer Society there's a lady out somewhere. We called and we said, how can we help you? She said, we just need a mattress and a bag of flour. And by the time we got out there, my wife got out there, the kid died the night before. The amazing thing is that for a bag of flour, I'm sure there'd be thousands of Fijians who would have given a mother with a dying child a bag of flour. But that's what she needed. She was looking after a family, and it's just a measure of there are families that have something in their pocket. There are many families that don't, that it's a really, really difficult time. And sometimes it goes for 6 months, it goes for 4 or 5 years, and a few get through. But right now with child cancer, many don't make it, and it's a really, really difficult time. So I just hope that through this we can make things easier, that with a resource center in Suva, possibly in the West, one day that there'll be a place for people to call just to ask questions and help make this journey at least a little better.
I took the challenge today and I shaved my hair for children with cancer. Nominate someone from your office or organization for the worthy cause. The bald head is a symbol of solidarity for cancer victims who often lose their hair through chemotherapy. The WOW Foundation has come up with a fun and exciting way for members of the public to get involved in the plight against cancer, and more specifically for children who suffer from cancer, either by shaving your hair or saving it. I've taken a bold step today and I'm shaving my hair. Talia Tora for Fiji Today News.
And that's it from the news team. You can email us your comments to fijifocustv@info.gov.fj. Until then, thank you for joining us. Good night.